All right, Hummer team, I want to talk about the marker lights. Some quick tips on these marker lights. This marker light, it's red right here. Red, red, red. That one's red as well. In the front, this one's orange. The three in the middle are kind of like I guess you could call them a light orange, almost with a hint of yellow. The reason I'm explaining that to you is that some people put like knockoffs on these, and personally I think it looks really bad. So when you're upgrading these to LED lights, it's something to keep in mind. Now when you install these, there's one screw up there. On the back side you'll see this foam piece. Now this is a new foam piece that I installed. You should definitely sand these new pieces down because the old ones are smaller. What will happen is that there's this hook like right here in the middle. When you hook it in and then you put the screw down, the hook will snap, and then you have to kind of find a way to jerry rig it to keep it held on. Let me explain. In the front, this is where the hook broke. So you definitely want to sand down these new foam pads. Now nobody can tell unless I point it out to them, but I glued that down right there to keep this held on. The hook snapped because the foam is too thick and it puts a lot of pressure and strain. And there's a screw right there, so something definitely to keep in mind. Now these all leak. I wanted to talk to you guys about that. There's this, you'll see when you work on it, you have to seal it. What did I use? It's like some rubber gasket on these. What will happen is these rear ones will leak. When they leak, all of this rear cover area will be completely soaked. The water comes down through the side all the way, and this is completely soaked. So that's a good way if you drive in a rainstorm and you're like, hey, why is this wet? Well, the reason is because your roof markers are leaking. So I sealed those. I didn't seal these. I've never had any issues with these causing any problems with water leaks, or at least that I know of. These ones in the front, you need to seal those up. And when I say the front, I also mean those three in the middle as well. What'll happen, those three on the middle, I put like a small bead of, I guess if you call it silicone, is that it'll come through the interior and this one will be soaked. I actually came across online a story where I'm assuming what happened is that it rusted so badly under here that like the whole floor was rusted out, and the guy put his foot on the ground and it all collapsed, and he looked up and you could literally see the ground beneath him. So that's an insane story that I came across online. So when you're working on those, the biggest tip is that you're gonna have to replace this pad most likely. When you replace it, the new ones are significantly thicker. Sand it down, find a way to compress it so these rear hooks do not snap. But the LEDs at nighttime, they look absolutely incredible. Great upgrade for your vehicle.